This video tutorial I will explain spliterator method of arrays class which accept double array, start inclusive and end exclusive. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the double array. Here I am calling spliterator method of arrays class and passing double array and from indexes 0 which is this position and to indexes 4 which is this position. From index is inclusive and to index is exclusive, and this method returns spliterator for these array elements. Then I am calling try split method of spliterator, and this method returns spliterator and it covers some portion of the array elements. Then I am displaying the spliterator 1 content and spliterator 2 content. Here you can see the output. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.